What it do?
How you
We
feel about the
outside.
dive?
Oh,
You
you
ready?
already know. We about to get in there Frigid style. Yeah, they
It's
got us in the
early in the
frigid air.
morning, right?
Facts.
We got one van of people already going. About to get another van. Welcome back to BIMS TV. This week we are in San Diego, specifically La Jolla, California, for a special BIMS dive where science is meeting community. Today isn't just about exploring the ocean, it's about learning how we study it. This dive was also an educational opportunity for new and experienced divers to see how marine scientists collect samples for eDNA analysis. So what's eDNA? It stands for environmental DNA, and it's a method we use to detect traces of organisms in the water. Everything from fish to plankton to marine animals without ever having to see or capture them.
So we talked a lot. We're having an eDNA think tank right now, right? eDNA, or environmental DNA, is the idea that we can actually capture the DNA that living organisms like sharks and algae and fish and crabs are shedding as they're swimming through the water, right? Or interacting with the sand. So today we actually have some folks who are going to be collecting some sediment samples, which we're going to put in baggies while we're underwater. You'll see me taking photos of them to get some metadata information on it, or information on where we're collecting from, what's the depth, what's the temperature, and having a GPS location point on it.
Every living thing leaves a little bit of DNA behind through skin cells, mucus, or waste. And by collecting small water or sediment samples, we can later analyze them in the lab to figure out which species were here and even track biodiversity over time. During this dive, BIMS team members demonstrated the full sampling process from collecting samples while underwater to preserving it on land for future analysis. For many participants, this was their first time seeing how real marine science happens underwater, and their first time actually participating in this collection. This experience taught us how accessible it can be when we make marine science a shared experience. Outside of that, we had an amazing dive, seeing so many beautiful marine organisms, and it was just a lot of BIMS members in the water at once, which was amazing. Big thanks to everyone who joined us here in La Jolla during BIMS week, and to our incredible dive masters and the BIMS Institute for leading this hands-on eDNA training. If you want to learn more about upcoming dives, workshops, and ways to get involved with BIMS, visit bims.org, become a member, bims.org/membership, or follow us here or on other social media platforms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. As always, we'll see you next time for the ocean.